Good morning, student. Basically, we have seen from our previous paper, numerical questions are asked from market area. You can see one question asked in 2022. Two firm produces homogeneous output with cost function, cost of firm 1 Q1 square and cost of firm 2 2Q2 square given, and demand function, that is inverse demand function, is also given. Show at the Carnot Nash equilibrium. यहाँ पर Carnot Nash equilibrium दिखाने के लिए बोल रहा है. Again, next part of the question, firm 2 makes higher profit than at the joint profit maximizing equilibrium. So we need to show here how this Carnot Nash equilibrium, the firm to realize higher profit in compare with joint profit maximization. So what will be the solution, how we can solve this problem? So we are given here, we are given cost function, given cost function, cost of firm 1, that is Q1 square, and cost of firm 2, which is given to Q2 square, as well as market demand function. Market demand function is also given in the form of P is equal 100 minus Q1 plus Q2. So you can write this function 100 minus, after removing bracket, this is how 100 minus Q1 Q2, and here joint output is equal output produced in firm 1 and output produced by firm 2. So now Carnot Nash equilibrium, first try to determine Carnot Nash equilibrium. So first of all, profit of firm 1, profit of firm 1, that is pi 1 is equal to total revenue of firm 1 minus total cost of firm 1. So what will be the total revenue? Total revenue in firm P Q1. So P is given 100 minus Q1 minus Q2, that would be multiplied by Q1, then we will get the total revenue, that is 100 Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q1 Q2. This will be the total revenue of firm 1. Now profit of firm 1, that is 100 Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q1 Q2 minus, this is the cost of firm 1, that is Q1 square. Now maximization of pi 1 requires del pi 1 by del Q1, that would equal 0. This is the condition of maximization. So what will be the derivatives of pi 1. So 100 Q1, that will be 100 minus Q1, that is 2 Q1 minus Q1 Q2. So we will get here Q2, and this one Q1 square, that is why minus 2 Q1, that would equal 0. That would equal 0. So 100 Q1, 100 minus 2Q1 minus 2Q1, that will be the 4Q1 minus Q1, that would equal 0. That would equal 0. This one the number 1 equation. We can marking these equations as 1. Now find out the total revenue in market 2. Total revenue, that is profit, when we need to find out profit of farm 2, which is pi 2, is equal again total revenue of farm 2 minus total cost of farm 2. So what will be the total revenue? That is P into Q2. So P is what? 100 minus Q1 minus Q2 multiplied by Q2. So we will get here 100 Q2 minus Q1 Q2 minus Q2 square. Therefore profit of farm 2, total revenue is what? 100 Q2 minus Q1 Q2 minus Q2 square minus 2 Q2 square. This is the profit of farm 2. This is the profit of farm 2. Now maximizations of pi 2 requires del pi 2 by del Q2, that would equal 0. When we do differentiations of pi 2 in respect of Q2, we will get 100 minus Q1 minus 2Q2 minus 4Q2, that would equal 0. After rearranging these equations, minus 2Q and minus 4Q, that will be the 6Q, or 100 minus Q1 minus 6Q2. This is equation number 2. Now, after solving the equation 1 and 2, when we solve, after solving equation 1 and 2, we get Q1. After solving equation 1 and 2, we get Q1 is 500 by 23 and Q2 is equal 300 by 23. This is the output produced by farm 1 and farm 2 as per Carnot-Nash condition or Carnot-Nash equilibrium. Now, when we put the value of Q1, Q2 in farm 2 profit function, we will get the profit of farm 2, what the farm 2 realize basically. Now, we need to find out profit of farm 2. So now profit of farm 2, now profit of farm 2, that is pi 2 is equal, just we need to put the value, that is 100 Q2, this one function of the farm 2 profit minus Q1, Q2 minus Q2 square, again minus 2Q2 square. Now we can put the values of Q1, Q2, 100, the values of Q2, 300 by 23 minus Q1, 500 by 23, this one 300 by 23. This is how just we will put the value. Again 300 by 23 square minus 2 into Q2 value 300 by 23, that would square. After solving, when we solve this one, we will get the profit of farm 2 510.4. This one the profit 510.4 profit is realized by farm 2 as per Carnot-Nash equilibrium. Now come to the point joint profit maximization. Now we will check what happened in case of joint profit maximization. Joint profit maximization. Joint profit maximization. So joint profit, under joint profit maximization, firm will try to maximize profit together. Actually, under joint profit maximization, under joint profit maximization, firms will try to maximize profit, together. In order to do such, cartel formation may be happen, or you can take the cartel solution. The cartel solution we can take, this is why here cartel solution that maximizing joint profit, cartel solution that maximize joint profit, cartel solution that maximize joint profit is determined, we can determine at where summation of marginal cost, both market, the marginal cost of the both market by summing together industry revenue, marginal revenue. This condition we need here. So total profit will be what? Total profit. In this case, we have to take total profit, that is profit realized by firm 1 as well as profit realized by firm 2. So now we can put the value of profit 1 and profit 2, that is 100 Q1, already we have got 100 Q1 minus Q1 square minus Q1, Q2 and minus Q1 square plus 100 Q2 minus Q1 Q2 minus Q2 square minus 2Q2 square. This is the joint profit. Now, in order to get the maximization, we requires or profit maximization, joint profit maximization, joint profit maximization requires del pi by del Q1, that would equal del pi by del Q2 is equal 0. This is the condition for joint profit maximizations. We will differentiate joint profit in respect of firm 1 quantity. Next, we will differentiate total profit or joint profit in respect of the firm 2's quantity, that is Q2. Now, first find out in respect of Q1, that is joint profit. Therefore, del pi by del Q1. We have to find out this one first of all. In respect of quantity 1, that is from 100. So here Q1 square differentiate to Q1. Similarly, Q2, because there was Q1, Q2, so when differentiate we will get Q2 minus 2Q1, that is Q1 square is there, that is why we get 2Q1, and again Q2, that is Q2 square is there. So that would equal 0. Now, after solving, you can, this one equal 0, that implies this one. So we will get here 100 minus 2Q1, 4Q1, 2Q1, 2Q1, 4Q1, this one 4Q1 minus 2Q2, that would equal 0. So when we rearrange this one, we will get 2Q2, 100 minus 4Q1. So we can find out the value of Q2, that would equal to divide 50 and minus 2Q1. This one, number 3rd equations. Again find out del pi by del Q2 respect, then we will get here Q1. Here you can say, when we differentiate total profit in respect of Q2, then we will get here Q2 is there, so minus Q1. First we will get minus Q1. So minus Q1 plus 100 as because 100 Q2 is there, 100 Q2, again Q1 is there, and Q2 square, that is why 2Q2. We will get 2Q2, again 2Q square differentiate, then you will get 4Q2 is equal to 0. Now rearranging this one, we will get 2Q1, and Q1. So there are 2Q1, 100 minus 6Q2, 100 minus 6Q2. So 100 minus 6Q2, so we get Q1 is equal to 50 minus 3Q2. This one number 4 equation. So simply we can solve. You can put the value of Q2 in Q1. We will get some value of Q1. So this is how we can solve both the equation in order to get the value of Q1, Q2. So here when we solve, we will get quantity produced by firm 1 is equal 20 and Q2 will get here 10. These are the output produced by firm 1 and firm 2 as per joint profit maximization. Now let's see what amount will be the profit realized by firm 2, because the question is asking about firm 2, not firm 1, firm 2. So we need to show the joint profit maximizations of firm 2. So what will be the hence profit pi 2, that is firm 2. So what is the function? 100 into 10, that is the value of Q2, minus Q1, Q2, that is 20 into 10, minus Q2 square, that will be 10 square, again 2Q2 square, that is 210 square. So when we solve this one, so here we will get 1000 minus 200 minus 100 minus 200, so we will get here 500. So obviously joint profit maximization firm 2 realize less amount of profit in compare with Carnot-Nash profit maximization. So as per joint profit maximization, what the profit realized the firm 2 is less in compare with Carnot-Nash profit maximization. Reason is what? What is the reason? Reason is simple. Firm has higher profit. Firm 2 has higher cost than firm 2, and that is why in order to maximize the firm 2 match marginal cost, its marginal cost with firm 2. Thus in Carnot-Nash equilibrium, firm 2 realize higher profit than at the joint profit maximization. Reason is very simple. The cost of firm 2 is higher than the firm 1, and in order to match firm 1's marginal cost, firm 2 reduce its output produce. This is the funda. Okay, thank you.